Hey folks, Jeff from Showit here. In this video, we're going to be looking at the design settings feature inside of Showit. Now the cool thing about the design settings is these are global settings. So if I come in here and start to change colors, which I can do by dragging around or putting in the hex code, you can see that those colors are already starting to change. I can change these colors to whatever I want and quickly and easily update my template to have my brand colors. So obviously you wouldn't want to do this. You can do something that looks better. I have faith in you. Let's jump back here. So using these smart swatches here in the color palette are a super quick and easy way to bring your brand to life inside of your chosen design. Another awesome feature of this section is it controls all of your text styles. So in here, as you can see on the left, you can change the titles, headings, subheadings, and paragraph styles. So inside of these type styles, anytime you see something with this dotted underline, it means you can click on it and break it out and customize the mobile and desktop independently. So for example, here under the font section with my mobile tab selected, I could actually change the type style here on mobile only. You can see desktop is a different style. I can change this to make it even more obvious that style is different. And then I can leave it like this if I want two different styles, or if I decide, you know what, I really like the way it looks on desktop. I actually want both versions, mobile and desktop, to use this style. All I have to do is click back on the underlined text here, and it will ask me if I want to merge using the one selected. So I have desktop selected here. I say, yes, I do want to merge, and now both are exactly the same. So if you want them to be the same, you can merge and leave them here. Now I can change them both with one click very easily, or if you want to break them out and have them separate, you can do that by simply clicking that underlined text. So as you can see here, you get that option for everything that has underlining, so you can get into the nitty-gritty of every little detail of how you want this text to display for your titles, your headings, your subheadings, and your paragraphs. Beyond the font stylings, you can see we also have inline links here, and you can preview what this looks like. So you can actually set up how you want links to behave when you have links in line of text, and then you can toggle this preview switch on to see how that looks. You can change colors, you can change the format if you want it to underline or not, you can change hover colors. So you can change all these features so that links inline text will stand out to your website visitors. Now there's one more section here in the design settings that's really important, and that is your fonts tab. So you can see inside the fonts tab you have all of Google's free fonts available. You can select from them. You'll see it loads a preview over here. That is just a preview. I have to click add Google font, and once I do that, you'll see it's now added to my list here, indicated by the X, because I could get rid of these fonts if I wanted to. And the other important thing is if I wanted different versions of this font, I would have to add those. So if I also wanted the ultra bold here, I would have to add that in as well. And now you can see I have both of those versions in my font list. Likewise, in here you can also upload custom fonts. You can get them all over the web. You must have the proper licensing to use them for web, and you can easily convert your font files to .wav file types using Font Squirrel. Once your font is in the correct file type, you'll simply upload it to your media library just like you would any other piece of content, and then you'll be able to find those on this drop down right here, and you can add in custom fonts very easily into your Showit site. So there you have it, a quick rundown of the design settings inside of Showit. Again, these settings are global. They'll bring big change to your template fast to make it look like you and your brand. And of course, if you have any questions at all, just navigate down to the lower right corner of Showit here, where you can browse our library of help docs or connect with our team and ask questions anytime. I hope this video has been helpful, and happy creating.